Hey everyone, Technomentary here with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to power off your iPhone Air in a few different ways. So let's get started. First, we're going to use the buttons. So you're going to locate the volume up button and then this big side button. What you need to do is at the same time, hold on to both of the buttons, press down for about a few seconds, and this a menu will pop up and then you can slide to power off. That's going to be method number one. Now method number two, we're going to go down, pull that control menu, and see the power icon here. We're going to go ahead and click on that power icon and then slide to power off from here. Method number three, what you can do is go into your setting, then go to general, and then scroll down to shut down, and then same menu will pop up and you can slide to power off. And the final method you can do is if you have Siri enabled in your setting, Apple Intelligent and Siri, with Siri turned on, and you being able to talk, you can just say, "Hey Siri, power off my iPhone." Yes. And then with the command after to confirm, Siri can also power off your device. So all of these are different ways to power off your iPhone Air. Now to power it back on, really simple, two ways. You can press and hold on to this big side button on the right side until you see the Apple logo and let go. Or what you can do is connect it to a charger. By default, when the phone is already turned off, powered off, and you're connecting to a charger, it'll automatically give it a signal to power back on. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, so please consider hitting the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. We'll see you guys next time.